Hey guys, Steve Gillette here, and I'm with Rise Drone, and we are a group of friends who are building a foldable and rapidly deployable drone. And I just wanted to thank you guys for consideration in the final 32, and I just want to give you a little progress update. So, where we started at the beginning 5 weeks ago, we had a first version of the drone 3D model that didn't work, frankly. We had no software and we had no online presence, and now we have our second version of our drone. We are assembling it and we are testing it right now. We have our software feature developed and we have something of an online presence. We got our website that I'm really proud of, and we have a few videos and posts on social media that have some likes and follows, comments, but we don't have a huge amount of subscribers to our newsletter. So I'm hoping that actually having the drone fully assembled and built and being able to show it to people, I think that will get people actually really excited about it. So that's what I'm hoping to do with the prize money. I want to build the thing. I want to have the time and money to actually be able to print it out, work on it, get working prototypes and models. So thank you guys for the opportunity. Appreciate it.